Hey guys, how y'all doing today? Yeah, this is Mr. Fournier. I'm in the science lab. I'm going to show you some of the science equipment that we'll be using this year. For the first part, let's concentrate on some like the safety things, okay? All right. So one of the first things we're going to talk about here, safety. All right. So we have a set of protective eyewear. Okay, these aren't exactly goggles, but this is protective eyewear that you can use in here. A lot of times this is used outdoors doing construction so things don't fly into your face like sand and dirt and things like that. This one right here, this is goggles. Difference between those safety glasses and goggles are the goggles you get more seal on your around your face. Okay, so these are goggles. These are designed to protect your eyes. Both of these are designed to protect your eyes. So we have goggles and we have safety glasses. Next thing we have here are some gloves. Now, these are insulated gloves, okay? So this is what you would use if you were working with something hot. Like if you'd put a liquid in some beaker on a burner or on a hot plate. Let's see what else. Okay, so then we have a calculator. Hopefully people know how to use, you might use that. I prefer y'all know how to do the math. Okay, this is used for this is a stopwatch. This is used for timing things, like if you have to have maybe if you're timing how long it takes a certain liquid to change states of matter, you do that. And then this is a ruler. One side, if you look there, one side is centimeters and the other side is inches. In the science world, will always be using centimeters. Math world, you may use inches. Science world, we use centimeters. These right here, these are weights that you would use to put in a pan balance. Pan balances are used mostly in like your first, second, and third grade. Balances measure mass, okay? They don't do weight. Scales measure weight, balances measure mass. This is a triple beam balance. If you're not familiar with it, we're going to get familiar with it this year. You'll see a lot of questions about this. Parts of the balance. You've got the pan, and here you have they're called riders, and you should always put these at 0 when you start, okay? And so then how to read that is, we'll do that in class, but let me put it on something here. So you would take the sum of all these riders here. So if you did this, you would look at this one. This would be 100 grams, 60 grams, and then that's a 3. So your total would be 163 grams. We'll practice that in class. And you have the meter stick. Don't get it confused with a yardstick. A meter stick is 1 meter long. A yardstick is 1 yard long. Okay? And then we have a microscope. Microscopes are designed to make small things look bigger, and which is different than a telescope. A telescope is designed to make things that look far away up close. Okay, so those are okay. So those are the tools. Those are some of the tools that we'll be using in science. Thank you. Make sure you know them.